Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see might be the most breathtaking Lexus ever imagined. This is not an official reveal, it's not a leaked prototype, and it's definitely not something you'll find in a dealership today. But if Lexus decided to bring back the legendary LFA as a futuristic hypercar for 2028, this is exactly how it could look. From an ultra-aggressive carbon fiber body to a futuristic luxury interior and over 1,000 horsepower of electric performance. Every detail in this AI concept has been designed to answer one question. Can the legend return and dominate the world's greatest supercars once again? Stay until the end, because the final design and performance details might completely change the way you imagine the future of Lexus. If you enjoy realistic AI concept cars, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we create the future before it exists. Let's begin. The original Lexus LFA wasn't created to chase sales records. It was built to prove that Lexus could engineer one of the greatest driver's cars ever made. Years of research, countless hours of testing, and one unforgettable, naturally aspirated V10 engine turned the LFA into an instant legend. Even today, collectors around the world consider it one of the finest supercars ever built. But time has moved on. The automotive world is entering a completely new era where electric power, artificial intelligence, and advanced aerodynamics are changing everything we know about performance. That raises one fascinating question. What if Lexus decided the time had finally come to revive the LFA? This AI concept imagines exactly that. Meet the imagined 2028 Lexus LFA 2. The first thing that captures your attention is the stance. The car sits incredibly low, incredibly wide, and every single surface appears sculpted by the wind itself. Instead of copying the original LFA, this concept evolves its DNA into something much more futuristic. The famous spindle grille has been redesigned for the electric age. Rather than acting as a traditional air intake, it now functions as an intelligent aerodynamic element that opens and closes automatically, depending on cooling requirements. The ultra-thin LED headlights stretch across the front fascia, giving the car an unmistakable identity during both day and night. As the lights illuminate, the vehicle instantly looks alive. The hood features dramatic carbon fiber channels that guide air over the windshield while increasing stability at high speed. Every angle serves a purpose. Every curve has been designed to improve performance. Moving toward the side profile, the proportions become even more dramatic. Massive carbon fiber side skirts appear to float above the road. Large air channels behind the doors direct cooling airflow toward the battery system and rear motors. Flush electronic door handles remain hidden until the driver approaches. The mirrors have been replaced by ultra-slim digital cameras that reduce aerodynamic drag while improving visibility. Gigantic forged wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires completely fill the wheel arches. Behind them sit enormous carbon ceramic brake systems capable of handling extreme performance. The wheel design itself helps direct cool air toward the braking system while reducing turbulence. Even while standing still, the car looks incredibly fast. Around the rear, the transformation becomes even more dramatic. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back. Hidden beneath it is an adaptive active rear wing. At city speeds, the wing remains almost invisible for a clean appearance. As speed increases, it automatically rises to generate massive downforce. Combined with an aggressive rear diffuser and active aerodynamic fins underneath the vehicle, the car remains planted even at incredible speeds. The entire body has been imagined using lightweight carbon fiber and advanced composite materials. Not only does this improve acceleration, but it also increases efficiency and handling. Now let's step inside. Opening the butterfly doors reveals a cabin unlike anything Lexus has produced before. Luxury immediately surrounds the driver. Premium leather, hand-finished Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, brushed aluminum. Every surface has been carefully crafted to create an atmosphere that feels both futuristic and unmistakably Lexus. Instead of dozens of physical buttons, A floating, curved digital display wraps around the driver. The steering wheel features integrated controls for drive modes, suspension settings, regenerative braking, and launch control. An advanced augmented reality head-up display projects navigation, speed, cornering information, and safety alerts directly onto the windshield. The seats are lightweight performance buckets, with built-in heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Even on long journeys, comfort remains exceptional. A panoramic electrochromic glass roof can instantly switch between transparent and shaded modes. Passengers experience a cabin filled with natural light while remaining protected from heat. Ambient lighting flows throughout the interior. Different drive modes completely transform the cabin atmosphere. Comfort mode fills the interior with soft blue lighting. Sport mode introduces bright white highlights. Track mode bathes the cabin in intense red lighting while displaying performance telemetry across every screen. Of course, performance is where the LFA name truly belongs. Our AI concept imagines 3 advanced electric motors producing well over 1,000 horsepower. Instant torque reaches every wheel through an intelligent all-wheel drive system capable of distributing power within milliseconds. The result is breathtaking. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in under 2 seconds. 0 to 100 miles per hour arrives in less than 5 seconds. Top speed could exceed 220 miles per hour. Yet raw acceleration is only part of the story. Sophisticated torque vectoring constantly analyzes steering angle, grip levels, and throttle input to maximize traction through every corner. The adaptive suspension monitors road conditions hundreds of times every second. Driving through the city feels refined and comfortable. Switch into track mode, and the suspension stiffens instantly for race-inspired precision. Rear-wheel steering improves low-speed maneuverability while delivering remarkable high-speed stability. Power comes from a next-generation solid-state battery pack integrated directly into the carbon fiber chassis. This lowers the center of gravity while increasing structural rigidity. The imagined driving range exceeds 500 miles on a single charge. Ultra-fast charging technology restores most of the battery in less than 20 minutes. Imagine stopping briefly for coffee before continuing another several hundred miles. Artificial intelligence plays an important role throughout the entire vehicle. Instead of replacing the driver, it works alongside them. The AI analyzes road conditions, weather, traffic, and driving style in real time. It continuously adjusts suspension settings, regenerative braking, cooling systems, and power delivery to maximize both performance and efficiency. During track driving, the system becomes a virtual racing coach. It suggests ideal braking points. It recommends faster racing lines. It analyzes every lap and helps improve driver performance without taking away the excitement of driving. Safety reaches an entirely new level as well. Hundreds of sensors monitor the environment around the vehicle. Advanced collision avoidance systems react faster than human reflexes. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic detection, and intelligent emergency braking all work together to protect occupants. A predictive suspension even scans the road ahead, preparing the chassis before bumps or uneven pavement are reached. One challenge every electric performance car faces is emotion. The original LFA became famous largely because of its unforgettable engine sound. Rather than attempting to copy the past, this AI concept imagines Lexus creating a completely new acoustic experience. Engineers could design an immersive performance soundtrack that responds naturally to throttle position, speed, and acceleration. Instead of pretending to be a gasoline engine, it creates its own futuristic identity. The exterior color palette offers several striking possibilities. Liquid titanium silver highlights every sharp body line. Pearl white emphasizes the elegant curves. Midnight black creates a stealth-like appearance. Deep sapphire blue celebrates Lexus heritage. An exclusive crimson red launch edition turns the car into an instant showstopper. Imagine seeing this machine driving through Tokyo at night, or carving through mountain roads at sunrise, or arriving silently at a luxury hotel before launching away with astonishing acceleration. It would attract attention everywhere. Of course, it's important to remember that everything you've seen today is an AI concept inspired by the future of Lexus design. This is not an official production model, but sometimes imagination gives us an exciting glimpse into what tomorrow could look like. And if Lexus ever decides to revive the legendary LFA, perhaps the future won't be too different from this vision. Now it's your turn. Would you rather own this futuristic electric LFA2? Or would you still choose the original V10 powered legend? Tell us your answer in the comments because we'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed today's AI concept, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more realistic future car concepts, and share this video with another car enthusiast. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next AI concept adventure.